breaking news. Coastal flooding has been observed by local authorities. And it's not safe to go into the flood unknown depths. Over 3.2 inches of flood have been observed over the past several hours. Anyone near Ocean City has to avoid flood water.
A coastal flood warning has been issued for Anne Arundel County, effective until 10 o'clock a.m.
Don't wait. Go to safelight.com. You can schedule service in just a few clicks. It's so easy. And more customers today are relying on their car's advanced safety features, like automatic